Hey guys, so in this video I want to show you the interesting concept that I personally call juicing. So if you have an e-commerce store or Shopify store, you always like investing money into advertising and you're getting some sales back. So you're investing money into um, Facebook ads, for instance, and you're getting some sales back. And so what happens, if you try, for example, to scale your ads, you gradually will come to the point where it's kind of like the point of diminishing returns, where like you're scaling it, but at the end of the day, you're not getting more profit or anything like it. And so what I do in that situation is I do it every few weeks, every few months, just to maximize my profitability. So what I do is I basically cut the advertising. I establish very high return on ad spend by which I optimize. So let's say it's like 3x return on ad spend, or 5x, depending on how hard I want to cut my campaigns. And then I focus on other like free, almost free acquisition types like email and subscription, pushing more subscription and stuff like that. So what it does is it's not maximizing my sales, but it's maximizing my profitability. So this is months to date here, and these are not high sales, but it's 121,000 in sales, but the profit margin in it is pretty high, and so I've done that to maximize the profitability. And still the subscription here is subscription revenue is pretty high. So that is also good indication of very good portion of that is profit. So that's basically what you can do is when you have a store running and you want to scale it, but then on the other hand you want to also optimize your profits, you can do like basically cutting, like having very high benchmark for optimization of your campaigns, cutting like everything that doesn't fit your standard, just cutting everything, and then it will allow you to have high profit margins, and allow you to then when you have the profit margin next month, you can invest that into scaling back again, and so it goes in cycles. And so it's kind of like the opposite of approach of scaling. It's kind of like downscaling, but it's still very effective for you to maximize profits, depending on there are situations where you want to optimize, and then you can also after that you can invest that back into growth. But just the concept that I wanted to share with you guys. Let me know if you in comments if you downscaling sometimes, how you do it, what are typical approach, and how you getting around situation like this. So just put me in the chat box below this video, and I'm looking forward to hear from you.